Oh, oh my gosh. Okay, that's it. Hi everyone. Welcome. Today we're playing Caged Bird Lost Mystery Story. Just wait a minute, cause it's dark now. Kinda like it's getting. Yeah, it's 7. So I'm just gonna open the light. Okay. So let's start. Caged Bird Lost Mystery Story. Let's continue. Yeah. Okay. Okay, wait a second. Well, I just think that drawing is really spooky, like it is really unnatural. And when I asked Johnny about it, he told me it was time for me to go. What? You steal a glance at Joel while Becky is talking and see that he is picking up on the same cues that you are. Becky, what you are telling us doesn't seem crazy at all. Really? Because I thought maybe I was just overreacting. I think you will have a different option. Yeah, after what we have to tell you. You spend the next half hour filling Becky in on what you and Jewel have found out today. So I think you will see that your experience fits exactly with what we have found out. Becky lets out a long whistle. Oh, this can't be good. There are way too many conditions in all of this. As Jewel keeps reminding me, we are not sure that any of this actually means yet. Anything means yet. And I guess you are right, but it does seem awfully convincing to me. Yeah, and to me too. After all I have just learned from Becky, it's all starting to convince me too. Oh, come on. Okay, ladies, now let's try to put all of this together. We did. What we know is that we have a dollhouse of Johnny's house that shows a hidden room in it. Right. And that hidden room is of course real. And Becky unearthed strange things at Johnny's house. And there was the picture on Johnny's wall today that he was so protective of. Yeah, right, and its collection corresponds to the location of the lever you tripped in the dollhouse. Jules sits back for a moment and then continues on. But what we have is crystal events. Nothing that is hurt events. Exasperated, you let out a sigh. But Jewel, there are so many things that point to Johnny being involved in Coral's disappearance. She's right, Jewel. Seriously, you can see it all in front of you. Yeah, he can, but he doesn't want. Jewel seems to be going over things in his mind as the silence becomes deafening. What if actually Jewel who got Coral? Because he knows about everything. I don't know. I don't trust Jewel. I don't trust Jewel anymore. Okay, ladies, we all know there's something amiss here. We just have to figure out what it is. Well, if you ask me, I think it all points to Johnny holding Coral hostage in some secret room in his house. Becky, what do you think? Becky looks back at back and forth between you and Jewel before she answers. Why did they need to say that whole sentence? They could have just said, Becky looks at you both and replies, maybe. I'm with her. I think there must be some connection between that dollhouse and Johnny's house. Yeah. Nodding his head, Jewel agrees with both of you. I have to agree. I think there is just too much events to overlook at this point. Okay, Jewel is with us. He didn't steal Coral. All three of you look back and forth at each other. They could just say all of you. The three of you look at each other. Oh my gosh. Now all we have to do is get into Johnny's house to check out your theory. And that, ladies, may be the biggest challenge of all. Yeah, not really. You and Jewel both look at Becky. What do you mean, not really? Yeah. Well, I just so happened to see Johnny at a construction set. I passed by about an hour ago. From the looks of it, I think he will be there at latest until dark. That's perfect. Are you ready? Ready when you are. Yeah, of course. Jewel grabs your hand and you both head out the door. Yes, let me see. Okay, we're already 8 minutes in. I want to continue this. I sure hope this plan works out. I need to save our progress. Is that the room in Johnny's house? That looks creepy. That really looks creepy. If it's that creepy, I'm not gonna continue the game. I don't know. Jewel squeezes your hand as you nervously rock back and forth in your seat. Okay. How are you holding up? Smiling across at Jewel, you realize he can probably see the concern written in your eyes. Yeah, of course. I'm holding up about as good as snowman. Okay. As a snowman in the middle of July. That's bad. That's bad. Huh? That's bad. You gotta say like that's bad or something. Not that bad. Okay. Jewel laughs at you and tries to assure you. Just remember, I am going to be by your side every step of the way. turning to look out the window. You hope Jewel can't see the blush that has words have caused. There's no one else I would rather have by my side than Jewel right now. Yeah. As Jewel slows the car, you can see Johnny's house coming into view. Just as we hoped, he is now here inside. Jewel decides to park his car around the block from Johnny's house. Why do they even say that? We don't want to raise suspicion by breaking in his driveway while he isn't home. Good thinking. I would hate for someone to think we are burglars. Or worse yet, we don't want Johnny driving by and seeing my car at his house either. Peering suspiciously across the seat at Jewel, you can't help but notice how easy this seems to him. You seem awfully good at this whole sneaky around it. Oh my gosh, why did I click? Jewel throws his head back and lets out a loud laugh. Let's just say all these hours of playing battle games online has hounded me skills scientifically. Okay. Laughing with Jewel, now you ask him about his gaming. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna skip this. Realizing Jewel is referring to spend time with you, you blush furiously and reach for the door handle. Okay, this is it. Wait a second, I'm just gonna save my progress. Love to save it 2 times so it doesn't go out. Yeah. Okay, my charger is now 5. Wow. Went down so quick. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, and share, and subscribe, and I love you. See you in the next episode of Caged Bird Lost Mystery Story. Bye!